Okay, day two's focus is all about multiplication properties of exponents. This first chunk is going to really focus on power of a power property. So what that says is if you have anything to a power and then in parentheses and then raised to another power, then you're going to take those two exponents and you're going to multiply them together. So an example, x squared to the third power, you're going to take the 2 and the 3 and you're going to multiply them, and that's how you get 6. So let's do A. It says simplify each expression using the power of a power property. So let's do x cubed to the 10th power. I'm going to take the 3 and the 10, so I get x to the third times 10 and x to the third times 10. That gives me x to the 30th, and now I am done.